Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we have finished Huroof madda, and today we are about to start Huroof leen. Huroof leen, the leen means something soft. Okay. So these huruf, when we read them, so the sound and the voice must be the soft and no stress whatsoever. And huruf leen are only 2 huruf.
Is it supposed to be long or short?
It depends on the situation. Sometimes they are long and sometimes they are short, okay?
Okay.
But comparatively, as compared to the harakat, zabar, zair, pesh, they are not shorter. And how many huruf are there? Huruf leen? 2.
Do.
Yes, 2 hote hain. Number 1, ya, and number 2, wow. Got my point?
Ji.
But not every ya is leen. Not every wow is leen. They become leen if they are sakin. If they are what?
Sakin.
What do we mean by sakin? You don't know?
I forgot.
Okay. So sakin means when some huruf don't have any zabar, zair or pesh. They don't have anything. No zabar, no zair, no pesh. And they are sakin. And you know the sign of the sakin is this tiny sign that comes on the top of the letter. This, yes. And this is called jazam. What?
Jazam.
The name of this shape is jazam. What is the name of this tiny thing?
Jazam.
And the haraf that carries jazam is called sakin.
ओके मैं आपको एक चीज बताती हूँ राइटिंग में ये मुझे फील कर रहा है
दोबारा बताएं
मैं आपको शो करूंगी एक एग्जांपल बट ये यूज इन राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश
Okay, so you need the whiteboard, I think.
जी
Okay, write down. I am, yes. Okay.
See,
it says I am a cat.
जी but I tried to make it my best.
Okay.
Like I said, it looks just like वो क्या होता है?
Comma.
जी.
Yes, you can say, but it is a bit different. I mean, it looks like a tiny dal shape. When we write dal, zal in Arabic, so the sign of jazam is kind of dal, okay?
Okay.
This is the sign of jazam. And comma seems a bit different. but you are right. This is closer to comma. So the comma shape is this, and this is jazam shape. It
If you add a little circle, it'll on like order, like in the middle, it looks like the Pakistan wala flag.
mashallah. Yes, the moon in the flag of Pakistan. Yes, we love Pakistan and we love its flag. Okay, so this is jazam. Okay,
Okay,
and the haraf that carries jazam, that
me
haraf is called sakin.
sakin.
Yes, so the wow is sakin. Is this in this example because wow has a sign of jazam on the top of it.
Okay,
And in this example, ya is sakin because ya carries the sign of jazam.
G
Okay,
or
so
every wala or
hmm,
every wala does like the other wala in front like yeah, yeah, or yeah, or yeah.
yes. So these all are what?
So
Jazam.
doesn't.
These all are the sign of jazam. And uh, the haraf that carries jazam is sakin.
Sakin.
Yes. So wow and ya, when they are sakin, and before them there is zabar. Look, it is zabar. Before ya there is ta, and ta has zabar. Before wow sakin there is ta, and ta has zabar. So these are two conditions. Wow and ya, first condition when they are sakin, and second condition when they have zabar before them. Then only wow and ya are huruf leen.
Harufeli.
Leen. Okay.
Okay.
And if wow or ya are not sakin, then they are not huruf leen. Or if there is no zabar before them,
Okay.
then they are not huruf leen. So huruf
Okay.
leen are only two, wow and ya. And what are the conditions of being huruf leen? Number one, they must be sakin. Number two, they must have zabar before them.
ये difference है other वाला पे. If we add वो क्या था वो other वाला क्या
Huruf
था
madda.
Huroof madda वो चीज. Because there's a third one and then we say it like this. Says ta tu ti.
Yes. So they were three, and also there was no the second condition was not there. I
You mean
mean,
third?
the second condition. I'm talking about the conditions because there are two conditions. Number one, the harf must be sakin. This is the first condition, and the second condition, there must be a zabar before them. In huruf
Okay.
madda, in huruf madda, we didn't have this condition that there must be zabar before them because ta waw pesh tu, there waw was sakin, but there was no zabar before that. There was pesh, ta waw pesh tu. So now huruf leen, when we read them, we don't read them long, okay,
Okay.
and we don't read them with a jerk, and also we must avoid reading them in a majhul accent. You know majhul accent?
नहीं.
Okay. Like some people read them ta wow zabar to, ta ya zabar te, to te. This is wrong. So what is the right manner? Ta wow zabar tau, tau, ta ya zabar tai, tau, tai. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the right manner to read them. Okay. Now we are starting it.
Recording.
Ta wow zabar tau,
Tawa zabar to.
ta ya zabar tai,
Taya zabar tay.
tau,
To.
tai.
Tay.
Sa wow zabar sau,
Pawa zabar fo.
sa ya zabar sai,
Faya zabar fay.
sau,
Fo.
sai.
Fay.
Yes,
एक सेकेंड.
yes.
मेरे पास एक चीज आपको बताना है. लाइक when आप बोलते हो, आप देख रहे हो वाओ, ये like you add like ta wow zaberto. You know we say ta wow zaberta. Instead we add the wow at the back. And yeah, we do the same thing exactly like the wow.
Yes, you are right. So if there was no wow, it would have it would be ta zabar ta. But when we join them with the wow, wow sakin, now it will be different. Ta wow zabar tau, ta
Uh,
ya zabar tai, tau tai. Then how to read the next? Read it. Sa wow.
Zaber, so, so,
Yes.
Taya, Zaber, um,
Sai.
they,
Sa ya zabar sai.
Taya, Zaber, they,
So.
do,
I mean so sa. So
ye. So,
say.
say,
Next. Try to read it.
Dal, Bao, Zaber, da,
Dal wow zabar dau.
da, Zaber, do,
Dal ya zabar dai.
Salya, Zaber, they,
Yes.
um,
Dau.
do, they.
Yes. Next.
एक सेकेंड. आपको पता है ये वाला, यू नो,
Yeah.
लाइक पराठा हम लोग सालन से यूज करते हैं. ये
That
ये
is dahi. That is dahi. You know,
जी.
dahi. We write it like this. Dahi. There is ha as well. Okay. There is ha. And this one is Dalia Zabardai.
दालिया जबरदई.
So that is Dahi and this one is Dai. Okay.
ओके.
Okay. And oh, screen share off. Now read this one. Zal Wow Zabarzau.
दालिया जबरदो.
Yes.
जाया जबर जा जाय
Yes. Thou
दो
They
Zay.
Yes. This one.
Ra, wow, zabar, row.
Yes.
Ra, ra, ya, zabar, uh, li,
Roy.
loy,
Yes. Row. Roy.
row, roy.
Zawa. Zabarzau.
Za, wow, zabar, zow.
Zaya. Zabarzai.
Za, ya, zabar, zay.
Yes.
Um, uh,
Zau.
zu,
Zai.
zo, zay.
Okay. So these are huruf leen. What?
Huroof li.
Yes. Practice them nicely. Okay.
Okay.